bro. Kick it. Your poor mother, bro. Yeah, bro, unplug it, G.
G, nothing will happen.
Alright, cool. It's on you.
What, you think if I smash it in my head, something will happen?
I don't know, G. Your heart's not in it.
What do you mean? My heart isn't smashing this.
Alright, let's go. Smash it. Bend the door backwards. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Fucking hell. Yeah, break it, bro. Fucking stupid microwave. What's that microwave ever done for you?
Oh, shit. Oh, look, it says 1000p, bro.
100p, G. Can't lie, that's 100p.
I can't lie, that is 100p, bro.
You know what? Kick it. Just kick it.
Well, like, boot it, fly kick, boot it.
Yeah.
That, 2 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, say nothing. You see it?
Yeah, we can see it.
Right, basically, Mum, what's happening with, I'm with this famous guy called 9p. He's famous.
Oh.
Say hello. Yeah. He's famous, yeah? And basically, don't
Smash that, bro. Kick it. Your poor mother, bro.
Hey, Mum.
What's going on? Let's see the damage.
Wait.
Nah, nothing. Minor. That can still reheat beans. Let's go.
I don't like beans.
Ooh. Nah, that's nothing. That's nothing. You can fix that. Bro, thank you very much. What's your name?
Jamie.
Jamie, thank you, bro.
Say nothing.
Do you want to smash anything else?
The
TV?
Little one.
Yeah. Batter it.
Ooh, with what?
Your headbutt it.
Or. I want something more expensive though.
Something more expensive, you know.
There's nothing really else expensive.
Alright, bro. Say that, no. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Jamie.
No worries.
In a bit, man. Big up him, bro. It wasn't really a smash. It suits you, bro. You got something to smash?
Yo, obviously, bro. I got you in it. I told you, I'm in my dressing room. I got you.
Sick. What are you gonna smash for us?
Huh?
What are you gonna smash for us?
Yo, I'll see. Hold up. Yo, smash a toaster right now.
Do it, G.
Bro, I'm actually quite gassed on the live. I can't lie.
It's cool, bro. You ain't gotta be gassed, G. Come on, man. We out here.
You're my Turkish brother, innit?
Are you Turkish as well?
Yeah, fam.
My guy, man.
Hold up.
My guy. That's an old thing, though. But let's smash it either way.
Bro, you can go chat to my mum in a minute and ask her if I'm crave.
Oh my God! Someone called me. Go on. Smash
Come,
that,
bro.
bro.
Take it out. Come.
My G. Man's going on a walk. My eyes are red, blood.
Come here, boy.
Too much screen
Come here,
time.
boy. Come here.
Oh my God. Aye, this guy's too funny, blood. Man took for a walk. Oh my God.
Oh, this thing ain't breaking, bro.
I'll break it more, man. Smash that, G. Hey, Aleem, what are you saying, bro? Smash that. You know what? Hey, Jamie, put your phone up against the wall. Bro, we can't really see. Yeah, put your phone up against the wall and then do it.
Huh?
Put your phone up against the wall and then do it.
Come on, I got you in it. Ready, fam?
Yeah. Oh my God, he's back this top off. Oh my God. Yeah, mad thing. Yeah, no, you smashed it still. Big up, Jamie, man.
My G.
My guy, man. That's what we do, mate. Love, bro. We do that for England, mate. But it was worth it. Who's next, bro? Let's smash something mad. Let's smash the mad thing. Let's do one more. If anyone can just do the one more. Oh, decline. Who's gonna smash something, bro? You know what? This guy's been requesting from the start. Oh, unable to join. I'll smash my room to pieces. You won't, but let's see. I doubt it, but let's see. Man, that hacks, bro. I wouldn't expect you to smash nothing, bro. Yeah.
What's happening?
God, it's another skinhead. What is going on,
Bruv, I've got Kosh or I've got Stripes. Which one do you want me to smash my laptop up with?
Let me see the laptop. It's an old thing, but let's do it anyway.
Fuck it.
Oh my god. Go on, smash it. And more energy. It's getting told off. Oh my god, it's getting told off.
What is all the banging?
Oh my god. Was that you or someone else? Like
Nothing.
Smash it, bro. Fuck everyone. Tell her calm down. More energy.
Nah.
Smash it.
I think I'm about to get slapped up.
Get slapped up, bro. It was worth it, bro.
It was worth it. My laptop's in pieces.
Tell her calm down. Tell your mum it's not that deep.
Oh, bruv.
You cut yourself.
Bruv, I've got a piece of plastic sticking up my finger.
Your finger or foot?
My finger, man.
Oh, fuck it, bro. It is what it is, man. Tell your mum calm down, though.
It's worth it.
Tell your mum you got 5 followers on Instagram now. So it doesn't matter.
ALHAN.
Yeah? Oh my
Fucking
god.
ALHAN, yes, bro.
My brother, man. There's 2 of them. They're duplicates. You lot are too sick. No homo, but you may as well back your top off.
We'll both do it together.
But my tits are too big. My tits are bigger than yours. I don't think that's possible.
Nah, my tits are definitely bigger, man.
Bro, can we compare?
You know what? We'll do that for charity one day. If I took my tits out now, it's long.
But we'll do it for coronavirus.
Fuck coronavirus, man. What's that done for me, G?
Bro, shave your head. Shave your head on live.
They're nothing, bro. Thanks for smashing the laptop, man.
No worries.
You man seem cool, bro. They're like Tim and Barry.
Tim and Barry.
Love, G. Man, that Chuckle Brothers, you know. Who's next? Man said, dead this guy. Don't tell me who to dead and who... You know what? You should join. I don't like people that say, dead this guy. Kick him. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you're going to bring to the table. Telling me to kick him. He smashed his laptop and you're telling me to kick him. What are you going to bring to the table? What are you going to bring to the table? He's not even picking up. Hamzy with 3 Ys. Fuck's sake. I want to see a kitchen get smashed at Dylan. Let's see if Dylan's going to smash his kitchen. 1 minute. Yep, he's here. Let's add him. Come on, bro. Oh, well, where'd he go? 1 minute. What the fuck, man? This thing's so temperamental sometimes. Swear to God.